If you have several business ideas floating around in your head and you're stuck on which one to decide, I'm going to give you a very simple framework in this video to help you decide so you can free yourself of this burden of picking the perfect business. Before we start, I just want you to understand something very, very simple and important, which is the business that you pick does not matter nearly as much as your commitment to the business, meaning that you are going to give it a real go and a real shot and actually follow it through. Most of us never get to that point. We spend all this time researching and looking at, hey, what is the business that's going to give me the best possible return and in the fastest amount of time and be the best business? That's the one that I'll pick. And you really don't take into consideration all the other stuff that's really important, which is, hey, when it gets difficult, and it will, no matter what business you pick, which is the one that I can see myself sticking through to the end? And I'm going to get to this framework and this question that I want you to ask yourself here in just a minute. I have this conversation over and over again, multiple times per week. It's almost verbatim what people say to me, like, hey, Brian, I've got all these ideas floating around in my head. I've got these 3 different ideas or these 2 different ideas, and I just can't pick. And this is the exact question that I give them. And this is the same one that I'm giving to you today. I want you to pretend for 1 second that all of the businesses that you're thinking about, all of the options that you've narrowed down, will produce the same exact result in the same amount of time for you. Which one would you pick? When you do that, when you say to yourself, okay, all of these business ideas that I have are going to produce the same exact outcome that I want and get me to the place where I want to go, the vision that I have for my life, and whatever it is for you, which one am I going to pick? And you will simply default to the one that you probably enjoy the most, the one that you can see yourself doing, not the one that you think is going to pay you the most money or pay you the most money in the shortest amount of time. The reality of business is this: it truly doesn't matter. As long as there's a market for people and people are willing to pay for the solutions and you can solve problems, you can turn any of those business ideas that you have into something really powerful and you can make money doing it. So my advice to you is to pick the one that you can see yourself not giving up on and quit it with these pros and cons. Just ask yourself that one simple question: which one am I not going to give up on, or I can see myself not quitting on when it gets difficult? Because it will. Every business has garbage. It doesn't make any difference what you pick. You're going to come into roadblocks. You're going to have challenges, and you're going to have to find a way to break through on some of those days where you feel like giving up, where you feel like quitting. I've wanted to quit business several times, and there will be another time where I'll want to give up. But I enjoy doing this so much that it's just, for me, it's an easy decision to keep going because I have a very strong vision or a very strong why, an overly developed why of why I'm doing this. And then I enjoy the work. Like I'm having a good time recording this YouTube video and connecting with people and helping people. So figure out what that is for you, and that's going to help you make your decision. Now, before I let you go, if you don't have a business idea yet and you're looking for an idea and you're tired of scrolling for the next side hustle fad of the month, I've got something for you, and it's 100% free. It's called the Skill to Business Formula, and it's been downloaded by over 5,000 people. And it is a series of prompts that I've put together along with a walkthrough video that shows you how to use the prompts to get the best business ideas out of you based on what you already know how to do, whether it's from your 9-to-5 job, a life transformation that you went through that you've thought about helping other people with, or you have a skill or a hobby that you've developed over the years on the side that you've thought about turning into a business. So go grab that. It will help you with brainstorming ideas that you could do based on stuff that you already know how to do, that you're already good at. And then when you have all those ideas and you can't figure out what to pick, then use the question that I gave in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.